In today's video, I am unboxing the last box from Alltrue. So if you're interested in seeing what we have for the fall unboxing, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and homemaking videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. I talked about it before, the whole shenanigans with Alltrue, but they've been back, and they've been back for a few months. This is a lifestyle subscription unboxing if you are unaware. Very nice. I actually do really like the products that we get. Was it the spring box that was missing? I finally got that one in. That was the one where we couldn't choose what we wanted. Oh no, we chose what we wanted. They sent that. The summer box we didn't get to choose, and so they just sent us the summer box. For some reason, I thought that I chose it in summer box, but I didn't. But the fall box we were able to choose, and so I have what I chose here in the fall box. But if you've been watching these unboxings, you remember I said that I was going to move on. I am going to try FabFitFun again. I haven't tried them in a couple of years because I've been with Alltrue for a couple of years now. So my next box that I get in is going to be FabFitFun. I'm really excited about that one, but let's go ahead and unbox this Alltrue fall. I always wait to these videos to unbox it. I always forget what I pick because I pick so much for different boxes, and then the boxes take a while before they even come, so it's just always a surprise. So the first thing I see in my box is this OXO Softworks ice cream scoop. I don't even know why I chose this. I probably should have chose something else because I think this is probably something you could just pick up at the store, but I did pick it up. I actually like the shape of it. I absolutely love all like lifestyle boxes because they're so fun. Like, I feel like at my age, you're interested in travel, food, and home decor, and just lifestyle things in general, because that's where you are in your life, raising kids and making home and things like that. So I like the cut of it, the straight edge on the end of it, which I think would make for easy digging. Fun little tip if you guys didn't know, I think everybody probably knows this, but if you wet your ice cream scoop before you dip it in the ice cream right out of the freezer, it makes it a lot easier for you to get your ice cream in your ice cream scoop. What do you call those things where there's one thing inside and then another thing inside and another thing inside? Yeah, so they're little tin cups with plastic tops. I don't remember picking this. I'm trying to remember, did I pick everything in this box? That's what it is. Cute. I could actually really use these. This would be perfect for like a lunch box. Pretty cool. It's a 3-piece set. I definitely will use it. I love Tupperware. I love all different types of Tupperware, from glass to plastic. It's a really nice acrylic. And now I've got some tin stuff, so okay, cool. Oh yes, these I did pick. I really wanted these. So this is a silicone kitchen spatula set for the perfect cook. Again, stuff that you could buy at the store, but when you have a lifestyle box, you get this stuff for a lot cheaper than you would if you were buying it individually at the store, because the box is what, like $50, especially if you have like a promo code or something like that, and you get all of this stuff. This is a bigger set than I thought it was. It's actually a 7-piece set, so there's a whisk. It's a lot more blue than I thought. I thought it was more of like a gray, unless they sent me the wrong color, but it's a blue whisk. This spatula here, and then there's a different slimmer shape there, and then there is one here. So lots of different shapes. There's one of those brush things you can use for meat and butter and stuff like that, and then a different size spatula. So a lot of different shapes. I definitely will use it because I cook a lot. And they sent me some pretty earrings. I don't remember choosing these either, and I can't remember, but I might already have these earrings, so if I do, I will make them a gift. Okay, and then there's a piece from Hub. Oh, it's an ice cube tray. Okay, so you take the top off and you have all these cute little ice cubes that you could do cute little shapes with. I guess it could be for like, I don't know, a picnic or something. They have another one with a different color, but it's cute, and I like that it's a space saver in the freezer. It's fun. We can try it. Oh, and then there's a wood serving platter. So this one I did pick. I thought it was bigger, but again, you never really know the size of these things when you are picking them, unless they tell you that the dimensions. It smells funny, but it's brand new. It just needs to be washed. This is really pretty. I really like the shape of it, and it's actually got a dip to it. So you can use this as a serving platter, charcuterie board. You could also use it if you just want to use it as decor and like put things in it, like keys or something on a console up by your front door, your table. That's everything that's in the box. So for my last box, I think I got quite a bit of stuff. Again, all stuff that I could use in the kitchen. I actually really like lifestyle subscription boxes because you can get stuff at discounted prices, and it's really good gift if you want to give them away for gifts or things like that. If you just want to try new things. This is quite the little haul. I mean, look at this. Like, I got a lot of stuff for like 50 bucks. I don't know, to each his own. I actually recommend it and really do like the service. So, but what a way to go out with a bang. Like I said, I'm moving back to FabFitFun for now. I really don't see the point in doing 2 lifestyle subscription boxes at the same time unless I'm comparing them, in which I've done that before with beauty boxes, and the amount of product you get in when you do that sort of thing can be overwhelming. It's not something I really need right now. So 1 box at a time for me is good, unless the company wants to sponsor me and send me some free product or something like that. But let me know if you like any of this stuff, if you've had any of this stuff, if you tried any of this stuff, or if you get the box, if you got the fall box. Like, let me know in the comments below what you got in your box. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you found it helpful as a review for Alltrue, then give this video a thumbs up. If you like content like this, you can hit the subscribe button below. Also hit the bell notification to be notified on Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays when I upload. On Mondays, I do shop with me at all my favorite home decor stores. And on Fridays, we check out Target to see what's new in home decor there. So we shop Studio McGee, Threshold, Magnolia, Hearth and Hand. We check out Pillow Fort. We check out the Dollar Spot, obviously, or the Bullseye Playground, a lot of you know it as. We also check out the Wonder Shop for Christmas is open right now. And then we also check out like all their outdoor home decor. And then we look at clothes as well. So that's always fun. And on Sundays, I bring you homemaking and lifestyle content. So we do hauls, especially content from the new house. So check that out. I do decorate with me, organize with me. I'll also be incorporating back some cooking and cleaning with me. So I hope to see you in another video, maybe somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah.